Hey everyone, welcome back to the best finance channel on YouTube. Today we're diving into a topic that many wonder about. How do millionaires stay so consistent with their investments? We're going to break it down in simple terms and give you real-world examples of successful people who are still alive today. If you've ever wondered how the rich stay rich, or if you want to learn how to build wealth over time, stick around. First things first, consistency is key. Millionaires don't just make one big investment and wait for it to work out. Instead, they invest steadily over time, no matter what. Think of it like planting seeds for a garden. You can't expect a giant tree overnight, but with regular care and patience, you'll eventually see the results. One of the most popular ways millionaires stay consistent is through a strategy called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This is when you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, no matter what the market is doing. For example, if you invest $500 every month in a stock, sometimes the price might be high and sometimes it might be low. But over time, you're averaging out your cost and minimizing the risk of making a bad investment at the wrong time. Take Warren Buffett, for instance. He's known for staying consistent with his investments, and he recommends investing in a broad market index fund like the S&P 500, even when the market fluctuates. By doing this, he's taken advantage of DCA, buying when things are cheap and holding steady as prices grow over time. Next up is patience. Millionaires understand that wealth isn't built overnight. They invest with a long-term vision. They're not trying to make a quick buck. They're building something sustainable. For example, Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, didn't make a fortune overnight. He reinvested Amazon's profits back into the company for years before seeing huge returns. That long-term approach has made him one of the richest people in the world. Bezos has repeatedly said that the most important thing is to focus on long-term goals rather than short-term wins. Another strategy millionaires use is diversification. This means they don't put all their eggs in one basket. Instead, they spread their investments across different areas: stocks, real estate, businesses, and more. This helps them reduce risk while still making money in different ways. Oprah Winfrey, for example, didn't just make money from her TV show. She invested in weight loss company Weight Watchers, has her own magazine, and owns a production company. She understands that having a variety of income streams helps her stay financially secure. Many millionaires also work with experts: financial advisors, accountants, and even lawyers. They understand that it's not always about doing everything yourself. For example, Mark Cuban, the billionaire entrepreneur, often speaks about how he's not afraid to seek expert advice to ensure his investments are sound. He even advises that you should always keep learning about investing to make better decisions. Mark's advice: never stop learning and always surround yourself with smart people who can help guide your investments. Finally, let's talk about reinvesting. Millionaires understand the power of compound interest, how money can grow exponentially over time if it's reinvested. Instead of cashing out on their gains, they keep their money working for them. Take Elon Musk. His companies, Tesla, SpaceX, and others, generate massive profits, but he constantly reinvests in his ventures, fueling even more growth. His strategy of reinvesting has helped him stay at the top of his game. So, there you have it. Millionaires stay consistent with their investments by practicing strategies like dollar cost averaging, being patient with long-term goals, diversifying their portfolios, seeking expert advice, and reinvesting their profits. These habits might seem simple, but they're incredibly powerful when practiced over time. If you want to build wealth like these millionaires, start by being consistent today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to reach 100 subscribers by February. Follow for more tips on how to grow